Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today in our recipe we are going to make a special spice potato or potato masala, which can be used for dosa or for crepes, even for other dishes including rice. So let us see how that is to be made, and let's get into the kitchen without further delay. And for those who are new, welcome aboard, and for those who are with me, thank you very much from the day one. And also wish all of you for all Christians a happy season of Lent. And this video is also used for season of Lent, and this is 100% vegan, so those who are not observing with animal product like butter, ghee, dairy, and you can do it without it. So let's see how this has been made. Without further delay, let's get into the kitchen. Let's go. Dear viewers, and in our making of the potato masala for the dosa and all, it is a pretty simple dish, and this is how we will make. And I'm not going to demonstrate what are the things individually, the ingredients especially. I'm going to show it directly while I'm doing the cooking. Step 1, preheat the wok and add approximately about 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll add mustard seed, approximately about 1.5 teaspoon, and we'll wait until the mustard seed splutter. Mustard seed has splutter. Now we'll add 2 teaspoons of urad dal. And as the urad dal changes its, the chana dal changes its color. My apologies, it is chana dal, not urad dal, and we will be adding urad dal as well. And as you can see, the urad dal, chana dal has changed its color, and we can add the urad dal. And as the urad dal changes its color, we can add some cumin as well. So the urad dal and the chana dal are 2 teaspoons each. And at this point, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of jeera or cumin. And at this stage, we have 1 chopped green chili, with that, we'll use approximately about a quarter to half a teaspoon of chili flakes. And now we will add some chopped curry leaves. And half large onion. Along with that, we'll add half a teaspoon of salt, just to make the process of the onions to be translucent well. And we'll wait several minutes for the onions to be translucent. As our onions has become translucent, and now we can add the potato. give it a quick stir. This is two large boiled potatoes. At this stage we can add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/3 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And right away give it a quick mix, as the masalas get coated. And at this stage you may add some water and give it a quick mix. And we may need more water, we'll just add more. And now let them come to a boil. Do not forget to stir them occasionally, as it will not get stuck to the bottom. Dear viewers, the potatoes has already been mashed up well. It's cooked well, and at this point we will add some extra fresh curry leaves and give it a quick mix. And also we'll add some sugar, approximately about half a teaspoon. This is to balance all the flavors in the potato. And also we'll add some cilantro. Mix. And by this we are almost done. If you want to add butter, you can add butter at this stage, but I'm not going to add any butter as I'm keeping it as vegan, so there is no animal product in it. So this is a way that people who are vegan can enjoy this potato. This point I am completed, and I'm going to dish out shortly. And dear viewers, here is our final product, our aloo masala. This can be used for dosas as well, or you can eat it with rice, or you can eat it with other things as well. I will be making a masala dosa with a special kind of dosa in my next video, and we'll also see a masala dosa on that video. So till then, bye bye, and I hope you will try in your home. For those who are new, welcome aboard, and for those who have been with me, thank you very much for being with me, and I also appreciate your time. So let us see what are the things that we can make with this potato as well. Not only just the masala. This is just a masala video, but I'm going to show what I can make out of this video, out of this dish for you to make in your next easy, simple recipes. So till then, bye bye, and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.